Hello and welcome to another episode of
DollyDTV!
Today we have elastic bands and a watermelon.
Oh. Due to safety reasons, Isabella and Spencer are now having an ice cream.
Safely. Oh well, I said that, but now she's here.
Did you enjoy your ice cream?
Yeah.
Was it tasty?
Right, well you're going to have to move out the way for when this thing goes off.
Watermelon! Yummy!
Look at this! It's actually made a perfect ball of elastic bands. I hope you enjoyed Wacky Wednesday this week. I don't think I did. Did you?
I'm going to eat it.
Yeah.
Crikey, it took a lot of force.
It took a lot of force.
I know.
I know, it's on the roof.
No.
So, if you'd like to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, it would be
Greatly appreciated!
And until we see you next time, we shall say
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
bye-bye. Hello and welcome to another episode of
DollyDTV!
Today is Wacky Wednesday and today we are doing the
Ice Cream Challenge!